All right, you're rebuilding a motor and you've checked everything and the cylinder is good enough for a hone, but you got a slight ridge at the top. You can use, there's multiple variations of this, but this is a Ridge Reamer tool. And literally what you're doing is you're removing this slight lip you have here at the very, very top of your cylinder. You can catch your fingernail on it. So this specific tool has these ears that you put it into the cylinder and you tighten this just until these ears are sitting on the deck. And you don't want it like super tight initially, right? You just want it in there, you want it snug. And then in order to ream the ridge off, what I do with this specific tool is I have this wrench ready to go in case I need to tighten it. And then the larger wrench, which is turning the entire tool, I do a nice continuous motion, just like this, all the way around. And you can hear it, and I can bring you in closer if you need to see it. Let me bring you in real close here. What you're doing is there's a cutting blade on the edge of this, and it's going to cut that ridge off. It's that simple. All right, and then after a few passes, you can see that you end up with a nice clean area up here. The ridge is removed for the most part. And then from here, I would go through, run a hone, nice crosshatch on it, get ready to do pistons and rings. I'll put a link in the description for this Ridge Reamer. They're pretty inexpensive. There's a few versions of them. Some of them have ears that sit over onto the deck. Other ones sort of get pinched into the walls here and then have a single cutter that comes around, kind of like the old brake lathes. But if you're just getting into this, here's what I recommend. Go on Craigslist. Find an old motor for $100, bring it home, take it apart, and practice on it with this. You're not going to break anything, and it'll give you the good experience you need to get into this. Don't forget to like and subscribe.